Morning, good afternoon, good evening, as per your location you are watching this video. This is how I'd like to welcome you to my little tutorial, and today I will be talking about how to style your HTML documents. So for this work purpose, we have some text editor we can use to style our work or to build a website. We have Notepad++, we have Notepad+, we have Visual Studio Code that we can use. So for me on this stream, as you can see, I'll be using the Visual Studio Code, and because I don't have much time, I already built the HTML web page already. This is it. So as you can see here, this is how it looks like right now. So I'm about to start this particular work, and in starting this work, we CSS start in 3 ways. Inline, that talks about coming to the period tab, each tab go to each tab and then start it. Then internal, where to the title bar, the closing in the title bar, the closing here and the title bar. Between them is where you can do your inline starting, and the standard starting where you use another page, you use another web page and do all of your starting, and then you link it. So I'll be doing the internal starting. So to do internal starting, you have to cover star STYL star and enter and close it. So between the opening star and the closing star is where I'll be doing my internal starting. So basically we'll be looking at CSS Basic, syntax and selectors. When we talk about syntax in CSS, we are talking about the name of the tag in CSS. And then when we talk about CSS selectors are used to select the HTML elements that are to be styled by CSS. So that's just how. So you can see the H1, you have paragraph, you have div, and then this is the H1 heading, this is my first heading, and this is the second heading, the H2. But I'll be starting the H1, the first heading. So to do that, we call for the heading, we say H1 spacebar, shift, curly braces, enter. So say H1, no say background color, BACK, background color. Alright, come here, you click on it, and for me I'll be using gold, GOLD. You click on it, and make sure once you do the coding a day on your keyboard, press CTRL, which is Control and S, to save your work. So to do that, I finish saving it, I come to the web page. Then on your keyboard, after you are saving, press Ctrl+R, refresh. You see here, it has select my first heading. So the next thing we'll be looking at here is the box model. The box model. In box model, we have border, we have margin, we have padding, and I'm about to teach you how margin affects your web page, how padding affects your web page, and how border affects your web page. So margin, what is margin? Margin is the space outside the border of an element. It creates space between the elements and another element. So that is margin. So here, this is my web page. You can see the navigation bar right here. This is the whole navigation bar. You can see all of my navigation are together, right? So I want to create a margin where it will create space between this element and another element. So how to do it? Go to the code, and make sure do not go outside this opening and closing star when you are doing your coding, especially inline starting. So I press enter on my keyboard, the drop down arrow come, and then I press another enter for a space. So I say NAV stand for navigation. A, make sure Remember, we use href, a tag href to do this particular navigation. So this is the element I'm calling for. So space, shift plus, get the braces open. Then I say navigation. Then I say quarter. That's just a margin. That's a margin, M-A-R-G-I-N, because a margin was I'm not doing it for the top or the bottom, so I just go straight to margin. Go to margin, I say 20 pixel. 20 pixel. That's the margin I want between these elements. Press Ctrl plus S after I finish coding it. Come to the word, as you can see here. Then press Ctrl plus R. You see, it has create spaces between the various elements. Then the next one we'll be looking at is border. And border is the line that wraps around the pattern and content of an element. That is border. So how to do it? Just say enter. So first of all, let's say background color. Let's look for background color, BACK, background color, and then let's use this color. Let's Ctrl S. Welcome, refresh. See, this is the background color. So we are about to use border. So how it works? So we say border, BORDER. So I will use border radius. So I want 100 pixel. 100 pixel. Save it. Come here. Ctrl R. See, it has wrapped. It has wrapped because it says is the line that wraps around the padding and the content. So another thing we'll be talking about is padding. And padding is the space inside the border of an element between the content and the border. So let's go for padding. Stay to the navigation. See, press enter. PADDRNG, padding. So I see 15 pixel. Save it. Refresh. See it? So it has created a space around the border. Inside the border, you have created space. So thank you for watching this video. This is how I like to canvas. So you can just continue with the same thing and just continue the instruction, and then you will give your website a better design. Thank you so much. My name is Prince Flomo Jr., a student of Stars University, and I'm a sophomore student. I'm concentrated in system administration. So thank you so much.